Hi guys, today I'm going to make chili paste in oil. Easy and super nice. We need just chili, any chili you like. Any chili you like. The process gonna be like 3-4 days. Okay, we need just wash it very well on nice tea towel. You have to do just this work and put it. If you find like I find like something like that is already damaged, don't put in. Okay, like this, don't put in. Okay, you have to do this. That's it. And we going to leave this to dry around 2-3 days. If you have sunny days, you can leave outside. But here in the UK, the sun is not easy to find. But at least 2-3 days. See you in 2-3 days to see the second step. Okay? Okay, guys. 48 hours gone. Here the sun is very difficult to find. But the peppers they already very soft and dry. I do this in the chopper, electric one. But you can chop it by hand. I recommend you this because we need not too fine but not too thin. Okay? And that's it. Empty bowl you need, just put stuff inside. I have this, it's not too big. Take your time and we do this. Just have a look. I like a little bit more. Wow, the smell, guys, is already, ooh, wow. Mix a little bit, again inside. You see? Wow, the smell, guys. Ooh, spicy smell. Okay, guys, look. Gonna be, I recommend you this. If you like a little bit bigger the piece, just less. Okay? Gonna be like this. Okay, when I'm finished this all, I show you the next step. Okay? Okay, guys, all chili. Wow, guys, the smell. Wow. Second step is 250 grams of sea salt. This is like we're gonna cure it. You know? It's gonna be like preservative, natural preservative. Okay? We put this salt inside and start make all together. Stir it. This try to do very good. Even take 5-6 minutes, but do it. Okay? Okay. See you in 5 minutes. I show you the next step. Okay, guys. 5, 6 or 7 minutes gone. I'll be like this. Important is mix all together. And now we have to put inside slowly 300 ml of extra virgin olive oil. I use the extra virgin olive oil from my cousin in Puglia. For me it's the best. And mix it. Gonna be completely in the oil. Okay? Oh guys, the smell. Oh. And mix. The oil is gonna be everywhere. When you finish all your 300 ml of oil, you're gonna leave this another 24 hours to rest and start make sure where you're gonna put it. Some jar, anywhere you want to put it. Okay? We'll see in 24 hours. Okay? Bye. Okay, guys. 48 hours gone. Look, it's properly. Now we have to put it in the jar and fill up with oil. Just I want to remind you, this when it's in the oil, you can keep for 1 year. I recommend you to leave it like that because we're gonna fill up with olive oil extra virgin like this. It's gonna be like that. This always gonna be the oil on top. Okay? Well, guys, I'm gonna finish to fill up these jars. The smell and the chili is amazing. And woo, that's it. Guys, the chili paste in the oil is this. If you like, just finger up and follow us. Ciao!
Finger up and follow us.